Everyone, Chris with Dentless Touch. Today we have 3 appointments. They're retail appointments at our shop in Waldorf. So today and Wednesday I actually go to our Wardolf shop. I got some errands to run, get tags for this bad boy right here, and go to the bank and all that stuff, you know. So I'm gonna bring you guys along on the 3 appointments, and hopefully we'll have a good day. We are going to pick up some new hats. The first customer did not schedule, so it is what it is. Kind of unfortunate because I chiseled out like 2 hours for her repair, but let's go pick up some hats. Let's go make today count, like always. So let me show you where I get my hats at. This video is I want to start a discussion in the comments below. As you probably will already know in the title, I'm going to talk about dealing with no-shows. Here at Dentless Touch, we do calculate how often... Oops, the camera is moving. Sorry about that, the camera was sliding down. But here at Dentless Touch, we do kind of measure how often we do get no-shows. And right now we're running at like a 75-25, maybe even spike up to 70-30. And I really don't like that, just to be straight up with you. So we're always trying to find new ways to better productivity. So the first way I'm going to try to start is dealing with these no-shows. So again, there is no penalty per se. There is no charge. I was thinking about charging $25 to schedule an appointment, but we do get a lot of customers that, you know, will send us pictures, maybe necessarily are not happy with the quote, or they just want a more exact price. So they'll require us to come in for an estimate. And I noticed that if it's just an estimate, it's kind of not on the top of their priority. So like even right now, I mean, 7 minutes, 9:30, I've tried everything. I've called the customer. We do send text messages the night before. Roughly about 20% of them will respond. But this gentleman, I called him, it seems like there's no voicemail. It just says this guy's just not available. So at this point, we only allow 15 minutes and we leave. But again, I just want to find out what you guys do. Again, if you're not in this industry, how do you guys deal with no-shows? This is one of the struggles with having a shop, because obviously we do buy shops and wholesale works, and now a little bit of hail that hit around the surrounding areas of Washington, D.C., so we get the trickle effect. But how do you guys deal with no-shows and the spread out scheduling in your shop if you do have a shop? I know mobile, I talked to Dave O from Windy City, and one day I was talking to him and he said the lady left the car but didn't leave the keys, didn't leave it unlocked, so he had to wait an hour and a half to get the key for the car that he was working on. And she just thought that he didn't need the key, which, you know, it's kind of strange. And I've done mobile in the past too, and I've had customers say, "Oh my God, I forgot. I actually drove that car into work." And so you pretty much just spent that hour driving out, and you know, you have to reschedule. So on our quest to be more, you know, productive every day, which obviously boils down to, you know, sales. What are you guys doing to stay productive when you either have a shop or even mobile? And maybe you guys might know the differences of that. Maybe there's something that I'm overlooking. There's a, you know, scheduling app. Like I said, we do text message before, we do emails once the scheduled appointment. And in our text messages to fill you in, we ask them, if you're not going to make it, just give us a call or say so through this text. And like I said, that out of the no-shows, that's only about 10 to 15%, maybe even 20% of the people. So we're still coming to the shop and no one's showing up. So what do you guys do? I'm gonna do some B-roll of all that stuff. So, but what do you guys do in that particular situation What have you noticed to work? And if you haven't experienced this, hopefully this video has been a little informative on some of the difficulties, or not really negatives, but the difficulties of running a retail shop when most of your stuff, is in, body shops. Some of your clients are in body shops and dealerships. So again, this is just a discussion video to start a little discussion at the end of the, the comment section. And again, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy this little B-roll I got at the end of this. And again, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out, guys.